So our program is extremely effective. Almost everybody is quitting with just the one treatment. I know when I quit 27 years ago, I just had the one treatment with 2 friends, and all of us were non-smokers. We walked out non-smokers. So, you know, as far as success rate goes, our success rate's very high because almost everyone quits with the one treatment, and only 1 in 10 of our clients is needing a second treatment at some point within the first year. So when we're doing, when we talk to our clients right before treatment, we remind them that if they have any problems, whether if they've had a cigarette or not, if they have had a relapse, then they're going to need to come back in to see us. Or if they feel they need a treatment, they need to come back in to see us, because if they don't call us, we can't help them. But overall, on average, 1 in 10 of our clients is coming back for a second treatment within the first year. So our success rate is very high.